Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Manus AI locally. First, check the system requirements before installing Manus AI. Make sure your PC is running Windows 11 or Mac OS 13 or later. You should have at least 8 GB of RAM, although 16 GB is recommended. Also keep at least 5 GB of free storage. Your processor should be Intel i5 or M1 or higher. You also need Python version 3.11 or above, and an internet connection is required for the initial setup. Next, install Python because Manus AI depends on it. On Windows, download Python 3.11 from the official Python Software Foundation website. Then run the installer and make sure to check the option that says Add Python to Path. After that, open Command Prompt and type Python -- version to verify the installation. On Mac, open Terminal, then input Homebrew if it is not already installed. After that, install Python version 3.11 using Homebrew. Once done, verify the installation by typing Python 3 -- version. Now install Manus AI. Open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac. Then install Manus AI using PIP. Wait for the installation to complete. After that, verify the installation. Run the Manus AI version command. If you see a version number, it means the installation was successful and everything is ready. Now run Manus AI locally. Start it by typing the Manus AI command. The interface should open in your default browser. Then log in with your Manus AI credentials. Finally, you can update Manus AI anytime to get new features. Just run the PIP upgrade command to keep it updated. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.